Fun fact: Mars has the tallest volcano in the solar system, called Olympus Mons. It stands at a staggering height of 22 kilometers, nearly 14 miles, which is 3 times taller than Mount Everest, the tallest mountain on Earth. The volcano is also more than 600 kilometers, 373 miles, wide, making it roughly the same size as the state of Arizona in the United States. Despite its immense size, Olympus Mons is considered to be a dormant volcano, meaning that it has not erupted in recent history. Subscribe for more.